What's the meaning of angora? Angora. 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 Angora.
Angora refers to a type of wool or fur that comes from the Angora rabbit, goat, or cat. It is known for its soft, fluffy texture and is often used in the production of sweaters, hats, and other winter garments. Angora wool is highly prized for its warmth and durability, and can be quite expensive due to the time and effort required to raise the animals and cultivate the fibers. Despite its popularity, animal welfare groups have raised concerns about the treatment of Angora rabbits and other animals bred for their fur.